Hi traders! Did you know that a higher win rate doesn't always mean greater profitability? Today, I'll explain how my indicator, combined with tools like expected value, helps you choose the best RRR and ATR setup for buy and sell signals to maximize your profits. The expected value calculates the potential profitability of a setup by combining the win rate, the risk-reward ratio, RRR, and volatility measured by ATR. For example, a setup with a 70% win rate but an risk-reward rate of 1.1 might be less profitable. Meanwhile, a setup with a 40% win rate and a risk-reward rate of 1.3 can yield higher returns in the long run. That's because, even with a lower win rate, the reward for a successful trade outweighs the risk. My indicator helps you identify which setup has the higher expected value. With this indicator, you can analyze real data and make informed trading decisions. It's not just about the win rate, it's about overall profitability. Let the numbers work for you. Try the indicator to start optimizing your trades. Link on description.